Do a sex ed video.
Oh, like
okay, guys, this is our sex video. But really, it's just like telling you about sex.
A bunch of niggas that don't get laid.
Oh no, I was gonna do a drug PSA. That's what I was gonna do. Don't do drugs.
Do you see that one thing I said?
What are your feelings on
about
drugs,
the
Michelle?
kids talking about sex?
Do them.
No.
Do them?
Chew and snort as many pills as you can find.
Let's see.
No.
All right, Mike. How do you feel about drugs? How do you feel about drugs?
How do I feel about drugs?
Yeah.
Alright, man. Hold on one second. What? Hold on one second.
Let me think about it.
Colin, how do you feel about drugs?
Motherfucker.
Motherfucker, that's not a feeling.
Yes, man. How do I feel about drugs? It's a way of life.
Timmy, how do you feel about drugs?
Damn it.
How do you feel about drugs?
Come on, Tim. Tim.
Say something. How do you feel about drugs? The camera's waiting.
I'm on them.
You're on them. All right, Mike. Do you have something now?
Well, I was gonna do a freaking thing with the joint, but no one was fucking listening.
Pass
You
the
fucked
fucking joint,
You
dude.
fucked up the video and.
Jeremy, how do you feel about drugs? You like them? All right.
Yeah. I feel like
Yeah.
drugs, yeah.
Hey, get Cassie.
All right. Somebody else is gonna take the camera while I hit this
Where's
blunt.
an ashtray? Okay.
Hey, everyone. My name is Michael.
Thomas game was
What's
waking
your
up.
dose, dude?
I'm an assassin.
Dude, you don't have to talk into the camera.
He's an old man, this guy. But I am an assassin. God damn it, Marcus. Where's Maria?
Give me that shit.
Oh, don't have sex.